you're doing well today. This is Irene and this is Hairy Lifestyle. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, I don't know about you, I'm always looking for healthy stuff that I can consume. And I know a lot of us consume soda, which is not very healthy for us, but it's because you're looking for that carbonated drink that you can enjoy. And I want to just admit right here that I also like to take soda. I usually will take a diet soda, but that doesn't mean that it's healthy. So I have been on the lookout for a healthy drink that I can replace any sort of soda or carbonated drink. And today I'm going to be showing you how I make my kefir soda. When I say soda, I don't mean that it's a soda like we know a soda, but it's a carbonated drink that you can take. And the best part is that it is healthy. It is good for your gut because it is fermented and it has all the health benefits that you get from taking a probiotic drink. Now, when you're making kefir soda or kefir soda, depends on how you pronounce that word, many people use water kefir grains or water kefir grains. I don't have water kefir grains. What I have is the milk kefir grains, and I've shown you how I make my kefir or kefir, and I'm going to attach that video if you haven't watched it. So what I did is I harvested the whey, the liquid that comes out of the milk kefir, and I'm just going to show you how I did that in a short clip over here. So yeah, guys, after extracting the whey, this is what I have. As you can see, it's a very clear liquid. After removing all the milk, this is what I was left with, and this is the liquid that I'm going to be using to make our kefir soda today. This is still has that fermentation going on from the making the kefir, so it is a probiotic drink, a probiotic liquid, and this is what we are going to be using to make our kefir soda. This is the kefir that I extracted and made. As you can see, it's very thick in consistency, pretty much looks like Greek yogurt. I love this stuff. I just add some fruits to this and I have a very healthy snack that I take during the day. So here it is, very thick and nice. Now, to make my kefir soda, I'm just going to be using this bottle and these two bottles. That's because the tops are very nice and airtight. I'm also going to be adding some plain water. I'm going to be using some juice. This is pineapple and mint juice. Obviously, you can make your own juice at home, you can blend it up, but what I usually do, I have a trusted guy who supplies me with juice anytime I need it. It's just pineapple and mint and a bit of water when he's extracting it. That's what we're going to be using today. You can see it's a little heavy at the bottom. And that is it, guys. This is my mint and pineapple whey soda, kefir whey soda, milk kefir in this case, and that is it. It's as simple as that. I've mixed the whey, some water, and some of the juice. As you can see, I did it equal part, and I have capped these bottles tightly so that they are completely airtight. What I'm going to go ahead and do is just keep these drinks on my kitchen counter somewhere where they're going to be warm, and after that it will take about 2 days for them to start carbonating. You'll start seeing air bubbles coming up because now the probiotics inside the whey are going to be eating the sugar that is in the fruit juice and creating, you know, carbon dioxide, and that's the carbonation that is happening. And you don't have to worry about the sugar content because the sugar content will be eaten up by the live probiotics that are in this drink. I will be back after about 2 days to show you how my kefir soda is going on, and we're going to do a taste test. But making kefir soda is that simple. See you when these are ready. And we are back. I have made several batches of kefir soda. Let me tell you guys, some of them we actually consumed them, and I had to make others because these things turned out really well. So here I have several ones of them. I'm just going to tilt my camera down so that you can see this. Look at these beautiful babies. These two are passion fruit. I don't know if you can see, the passion fruit, sediments at the bottom. I made these ones yesterday, so they've been sitting at the kitchen counter for about 2 hours, and they're getting really ready. I'm going to give you a close-up for you to see how fizzy they are. Here I have one that I made several days ago. We are going to be sampling this. This was made with a fruit punch that had mango juice and passion. It was just a mix of juices, but the color was from beetroot, so it also had beetroot. I'll also insert a close-up for you to see how fizzy it is. This is cold because it has been in the fridge. After it stays for several days at your kitchen counter, you need to transfer them to your fridge. So these ones are going to the fridge right after this video. What I have over here is sugarcane, lemon, ginger. This one I made several days ago, so we're going to be sampling this as well. And over here, what I have in this bottle is the same as what was in this bottle. It was made using the fruit punch. Now, as I said, these are the bottles I use, these long bottles, and then I have also these kinds of bottles. You saw the one that I made last time. Let me show you. This is the bottle that I had used last time. So I use these bottles. This is a smaller size. This is a big size. I really like these bottles. They stay very tight. These bottles that I've used over here, as you can see, I've used some cling film. I don't know if you can see that, so that they can be really airtight, and I think they're doing very well. But when it comes to making any sort of fizzy drinks, these are some of the best bottles you can get. I bought this bottle at Carrefour. Although the bottle itself is not a very thick bottle, but it still works very well. But the ultimate and the best is this kind of bottle. I got this bottle from a friend of mine who does kombucha, Mohawk kombucha. So this is the right bottle when you're making a fizzy drink, because the bottle is thick. It's like a beer bottle, and so this is the best if you can get them. If you're out of the country, these are easy to get. Here locally it's not so easy. You can import them if you want, but these are the ones, basically the bottles that I use. You need to be very careful as you're using these bottles because they can literally explode. So watch out to see how fizzy your drinks are getting, and know when it's the right time to put them in the fridge so that they don't explode on you. So we're going to go ahead and taste. These are going to the fridge. This is the same as this, so this is the one we're going to sample, and this one. Now you need to be very careful when you're opening your bottles because they can fizz out, especially if they haven't been refrigerated. When you refrigerate them, then the gas kind of settles down and it's not as fizzy. So I'm going to open this very carefully and pour out onto this glass as quickly as possible before it totally boils up on me. So let's go ahead and do this. see that? That's all the gas that is in that drink. I'm not going to put all of it. Beautiful. And then I'm going to also put this other one, and then we're going to try them. There you go. This one right here is the cocktail with beetroot. I'm gonna be sampling this first. Guys, I honestly don't know if I can convey in this video how absolutely amazing this drink is. It's like taking a soda, but knowing that it's healthy and fermented and full of probiotics, something you can make at home, something you can share with your family, with your kids. Oof, I'm so excited. I'm waiting for Christmas and Christmas season when we are eating and making merry. These are the drinks I'm going to be making. Wow, I hope you really try this recipe. That's awesome. And now this is the sugarcane ginger lemon. You guys know that drink. It's a well-loved drink in this country. Turn it into a kefir soda. Let's give this a taste test. It's one of those things when you start drinking, you can't stop. You just want to drink all of it and totally enjoy it. Oh my goodness, they are so good. And so guys, I really hope I have convinced you. You can make you can get the way that you use to make these sodas either from making your own homemade yogurt. You can also pick some yogurt, natural yogurt that has live culture in the supermarket. If you try Bio, some of the leading brands of yogurt, you'll see they are written there with live culture. Then you can filter. Just use a piece of cloth and you can filter out to get the whey, that is that liquid. If you are somebody who makes kefir, then when you make your kefir or kefir, whatever you want to call it, you can filter out the whey and use it to make soda. And this is a healthy version of soda. I'm gonna be enjoying these things and totally and completely loving them. Let me refrigerate what needs to be refrigerated and go ahead and enjoy these drinks. Well guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. I hope you're gonna try to make your own homemade soda. Thank you very much. This is Irene. This is Hairy Lifestyle. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and your loved ones. And by the way, if you're looking for kefir grains, you can get in touch with me. We can organize and probably I can go ahead and share some of the grains that I have. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.